Dear student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing study at your home. As you know that the school is closed due to cold wave and chilly weather. We do care for you and your study. Therefore, to keep you updated from coming examination, I am here with a revisional video of subject mathematics. So, watch this video and practice the notes of exercise at your home regularly. Okay students, so my dear students, let's start new chapter exercise 12.2. My previous video explained exercise 12.1. Okay, time. Okay students, one clock is shown two hands, so short hand show hours and long hand show minutes. Okay student, the hour hand is clock take 1 hour to move from one number to the next. Now second things, the minute hand takes 5 minutes. The minute hand, that means long hand. Okay, the minute hands take 5 minutes to move from one number to the next. In 1 hour, 2 minutes hand completes one round on the clock face. Is that clear? Count by 5 to know the minutes. That means let's start exercise. Write the names of the following days of the week. As you know that students, how many days are there in a week? Do you know? There are 7 days. Count down: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and last day Sunday. Okay, so first write here. First day, week is your first day. First day write here Monday. First day Monday. Okay, so spelling of Monday M-O-N-D-E-Y, Monday. Spelling of Monday once again M-O-N-D-E-Y, Monday. Now second day, second number, fifth day. Second number, fifth day dash. Fifth day Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So fifth day Friday right here. Friday, spelling of Friday F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Okay, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Is that clear? Now third number is second days. Second day students, do you know? Yes, second day is Tuesday. Monday after Tuesday. So write your third number Tuesday. Spelling of Tuesday T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Okay. Once again write spelling of Tuesday T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Okay, is that clear? Now next, fourth one. Next one, fourth one, sixth day. So students, count the number of days. Sixth day dash. Sixth day dash. Sixth day, Saturday. 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 Now fifth one, third day. Wednesday. 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 Third day, Wednesday. So spelling of Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay. Now seventh day. Seventh number is fourth day. Seventh number is fourth day. As you know, students, fourth day, countdown, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So fourth day, Thursday. Thursday. Spelling of Thursday, Thursday. Thursday. Is that clear? Now next, month of the year. As you know, students, month of the year, there are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. So first month, January. First month, look here, the chart, 12 months. Okay. So first month, January. Spelling of January, January. J for jug. J say January. J say January. J for jug. So spelling of January, January. January. Okay. Look at the alphabetical pictures. So write the months. First letter alphabetical F. F for face. That means F for February. 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 Okay. February. February. Now third day, March. M for mango. M for mango. M letter is starting third month of the year, March. 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 Is that clear? A. Fourth month of the year, starting letter of A. A for alphabetical word in picture, apple. A for apple. A for April. Spelling of April, April. April. Now fifth month of the May. Fifth month of the May. So write what is this picture? Mouse. M for mouse. M for May. Spelling of May, May. May. Okay. J for June. J for jam. Jam. J for jam. And J for June. Spelling of June, June. June. Okay. June. June. And seventh month is July. J for July. What is this picture? Jacket. J for jacket. And J say July. So spelling of July, July. July. Okay, students. J for jacket and J say July. 8th month of August. So starting letter of A. A for aunt and A for August. So spelling of August, August. August. Is that clear? Now 9th month is September. 9th month is September. S for sheep. What is this? Sheep. S for sheep. And S for September. Spelling of September, September. September. Is that clear? Now 10th month of October. 10th month of October. O say octopus. But what is this picture? Owl. O say owl. O for October. So spelling of October, October. October. Okay students. Now 11th month of the November. And for November, now what is this picture? Next. And for next and N for November. Okay, spelling of November. 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 Is that clear? And the last month of the December. Last month of the December. What is this picture? Deer. Deer. What is this picture? Deer. This is a deer. D for December. Last month, December. Spelling of December, December. December. So starting month of the year January and last month of the year December and 9th month of the year September. Is that clear students? Look at the calendar on the next page. Okay, there are 365 days in a year. How many days are 1 year? There are 365 days in a year. 1 year is 365 days. Is that clear? Now second things, January, March, May, July, August, October and December have 31 days each. This month, whose month is days of 31 days? January, March, May, July, August, October and December have 30 days in each. Okay. Third one, April, June, September and November have 30 days. April, June, September and November 30 days. Okay. February has 28 days. February has 28 days. In some year it has 29 days. That means call is leap year. February has 28 days. Okay, February month is 28 days. After that, April, June, September and November month is 30 days. And January, March, May, July, August, October and December is 31 days. Okay, February has 28 days. February 28 days. In some years has 29 days. In some years, that means called a leap year, is 29 days. Okay. Now next, what time does the clock show? Fill in the blanks with before or after. So first one, look here, clock. Short hand is 2 and 3 middle. Okay, and long hand is 6 and 7 middle. That means time is 2:30, half past. 2:30, half past 2. Okay. Second clock, short hand. That means our hand is 10 and 9 middle. Minute hand is 7 and 6 between. That means time is 9:30, half past 9. 9:30, half past 9. Now third clock is, our hand is 2 and 3 in between. That means minute hand is 6 and 5 in between. So this time is, write here time, 2:30, half past 2. 2:30, half past 2. Days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Monday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the last day of the week. Okay students, the activity is called of activity schedule of Mahesh. Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So first day Monday, go to the market. First day Monday, Mahesh go to the market. Second day Tuesday, study English. Mahesh second day Tuesday study English. Third day Wednesday, play with his friend. Mahesh play with his friend. Whose day? Wednesday. Visit his grandmother. Mahesh visit his grandmother. Whose day? Thursday. Has an art class. Mahesh has an art class. What day? Friday. Study maths. Mahesh study maths. What day? Saturday. And has a dance class. Mahesh has a dance class Sunday. Okay. So done, down and across. First on Saturday, Mahesh study maths. First, Mahesh study maths. Whose day? Mahesh study maths. Whose day? Saturday. Spelling of Saturday Saturday. Second one, he study art class Friday. 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 Okay. Now third one, he study English on Mahesh. He study English on Tuesday. So spelling of Tuesday Tuesday. Tuesday. Now third one. Okay. So look at the first timetable. First day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day and last day. Okay. So first day Sunday. Sunday. Okay. Now second day Friday. 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 Okay. Now third day on is visit his grandmother dash Tuesday. Thursday. 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 Okay. Now fourth one on play with his friends Wednesday. 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 So write here letter Wednesday. 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 Now fifth one, he goes to the market on dash. He goes to the market on dash Monday. Right here Monday. Monday. Fifth day Monday. Okay. He has dance class on dash Sunday. 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 Okay. Is that clear, students? Okay, students. All the chart clearly, explanation and exercise. Is that clear? So learn this chapter clock and day and months. Spelling of month and day. Okay, students. Thanks for watching this video and thank you and have a nice day.